Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get roaming oak timber in Heartopia. Okay, let's get into it guys. This is my roaming oak timber, and this is extremely rare timber. You can gather the oak timber by rescuing oak who gets trapped by roots every day. um if you want to get the roaming oak timber, you need to find this oak, and you can find him randomly guys, and every day he will visit every home around the map. And when it's your turn, you can prepare your pickaxe, and then you need to um rescue the oak like this. So he will visit door to door, and luckily today he's in front of my home, so I can get the roaming oak timber from him. Okay, guys, and that's how we can get the roaming oak timber in Heartopia. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.